Cloud9 versus Team Solo Mid in the quarterfinals, and we are in game 1. Onto Balls, Balls has to get out. Doing a great job of getting each other back and forth, but Balls can't get out in time.
Oh my!
And he goes down.
Elise flashed in, Elise flashed in. Kill Elise. Push, top, Tiki, we're going mid.
Rush now going in, there's no turret. That's gonna be a double kill for Sneaky. Looking for the triple kill coming in onto Hanser. Cloud9 takes game 1 of the series.
He still has W. He has X-Drinker. He might be dead. He has flash. Nice.
Good shit.
I'm building tower. I'm Zonius.
I feel for you after.
I'm gonna flash down.
Your TV.
Kill him.
Your TV.
We win this.
As TSM takes game 2.
Just be like Yamato Cannon. Can you do like Yamato Cannon? Just believe.
Not gonna do that.
Focus on your game.
He's dead. Go Brom.
Nice.
I got it. Take tower.
Nice. I'll take your vision. Good shit. You win it mid.
Jin flash.
Absolutely melting. Lambs Respite, the last thing saving them from being 6 feet under here. And there's a kill onto Sneaky in an even stronger fashion. TSM take game 3 of the series. They're faster. This is what Z9 needs. We've seen a lot of trouble if they get back in the early game. And then TSM comes back with a full team. Fates calls in, Fates calls out, and Double It flashes for the kill.
TV. Where are you at?
No, I'm dead. I killed Kindred. Where's his dead? Oh, he's dead. Okay. I beat one.
They can even get balls on the front line before they have to focus anybody else. Definitely a C hero, kill hero game for TSM. TSM coming back strong though, 3 consistent games in a row. Team Solo Mid take the quarterfinal match against Cloud9.